Hare Krishna. Many times people ask this question when we offer food to the Lord. Does He really eat that? Does He really accept that? Its answer is yes. God accepts the food which we offer to Him. Only condition is we should offer it with love and devotion and bhav. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Patram pushpam phalam toyam jo me bhaktyah prayachati tadaham bhakti upaharitam ashnami pratatmana. Ashnami, its meaning is yes, I eat. So Lord Krishna says, I eat the offering, whatever is offered to me. The only condition is it should be offered with love and devotion. But our problem is we see whatever plate we put in front of the Lord, it is still kept same way, it is still lying in same way, everything is intact there. We think as we eat, God also should eat in same way. We pick up from the plate and put it in our mouth and eat that. So, and the plate become empty. So God also should eat that way. Krishna should also eat same way. But God can eat by just looking at the food. Angani yasya saklendriya vrittimanti. One sense organ of Lord can work the task of another sense organ. He can eat by looking at the food, so He can eat with His eyes. He can speak with His ears. He can do the task of one sense with another sense. So the Lord, He eats in a subtle form, in a subtle way. For example, if there is a book kept in front of you and you read something from that book, you read some shloka from the book and you have memorized that shloka. Now that shloka has entered into your mind. So that in subtle form it is present in your mind, but the shloka is still present in front of you in the book also. The book is still there. So same way Lord eats that food. He accepts that food in the subtle form, and the food in the plate is still there in the gross form in front of us. Another example to understand is when you go to your friend's house or your relative's house, so you take some gift for them, some sweet box. So you give them the sweet box. When you are returning back to your home, they also give you a return gift, a return sweet box. So they have taken something out from the box you gave to them and they have added some other things into that box and returned it to you. That is a gesture of love. So exchange of love. Same way when we offer to the Lord, Lord accepts it. But He keeps the plate intact there. He adds it back from His side to give it back to us as prasad. So Lord accepts the food. Only condition is we should offer it with love and devotion. And Lord doesn't even say you have to offer me some fancy items. He says patram pushpam phalam toyam. If you offer me a leaf, fruit, flower, or even just water, I accept it. Now it doesn't mean that we have to offer only these things. So we eat ourselves samosa, kachori, gulab jamun, rasgulla and all, and we offer just fruit and water to the Lord. That's what He is asking. No, the meaning is whatever we are preparing at our home, we should offer it in front of the Lord with love and devotion, and then accept the prasad of the Lord. Lord is not looking at these different varieties of food which is offered. He is looking at what we are hiding in our heart. Do we have the bhav? Do we have love and devotion for the Lord? So offer everything with love and devotion, whatever you prepare at home, and add a tulsi leaf on that offering, because tulsi is very dear to the Lord. So we should remove all these doubts from our mind. If the Lord eats or not, offer it with love and devotion and accept the remnants of the Lord, the prasad of the Lord, and make your life blissful. Hare Krishna.